I'm gonna try to install this drip line for our garden over here. This is a 12-inch spacing pipe. It has a hole in every 12 inches. So first we'll put it in the sun. I left it out a little bit so it should warm up to be easier to maneuver, to make it straight. You might not want to use a knife on this, just in case it might rip it. Okay, so first we'll try to straighten this out, and then we'll install it. So this has holes in every 12 inches. So this has holes every 12 inches. It has a little thing in there, and holes every 12 inches. This is a 1/2-inch pipe. It's a 1/2 inch in the diameter pipe. You can see the inside. So we opened it up to be able to sit in the sun to soften up a little bit, and then it should be easier to work with. First we're going to make some holes where we want the pipes to come out. And this is going to be the garden with 3 rows, 2 water rows. So we're going to make some holes for the pipes. I'm going to take these pipes through. We'll make a bend by the end. So these are the pieces I'm going to use. These are made for these. This is from Dig. This is to connect to the hose. It has a filter. So the pipe is going to connect over here, and this is going to be the T's to split it up. So I'm going to use a few T's over here for my 2 gardens, 2 garden beds, and we'll come in through this hole and divide into these. This has a little, on the inside, a 1/4 inch inside, has like a sharp edge. So it looks like that's what's holding it in from coming out. If you put your finger in, you can feel a sharp edge over here. So all these ends have a sharp edge. So I guess once you put it in, it might be hard to come out. So we'll cut this back over here, and we'll connect the hose to that. Let's see if we can cut it with this. It's pretty strong. It's going. Okay. Okay, got that. Okay, so we'll connect it to this one. Just make sure this is how we want it. So we'll connect this here. So let's push this in. Yeah, you gotta use some muscle for that. Okay. I don't know how much went in, but it feels pretty tight. So we'll leave it at that. I'll split this out over here, connect another one, and we'll finish this up. So these are the connections, the splitters. This connects to the hose, and this one, it goes to it's gonna go to the plants, and that's it with that. And this is how you finish it off. You just bend the ends. You see all these pieces you could connect it to hook it in, or you could just, I guess, tie it up or something, whatever you want to make this, to bend the end. These do not go over these bumps where the holes are. They do not pass through it. It's too thin. This is just size. I think they could have made it a little bit a bigger size, but these fit just till the end. So every time you want to make the bend, you're gonna have to cut off the ends to be able to do a bend. That's it for now. Try to record how it's working. We'll hook it up to the water hose a different time. So these are some hangers. These are pieces of hangers. Cut them off from some hangers we had, some metal hangers. So we'll stick these in to make it, keep it in place. So this is the dripper in action. You got something coming out over there. Oh, another one over there. Thanks guys for watching. Not the best seal. Maybe I'll have to get some rubber stuff or tighten this thing. Too much water coming out of it. Well, it's only one hole. So this hole we're having it dripping down the pipe. So for that, I think this should be able to fix it. I think this should be able to make it. See? So we'll put one over here. So it shouldn't drip down all the way. Like that. Too much. Let's try another one. point this down, maybe. Okay, now we got it. A little bonus footage. These are some geeky stuff. So I took a bottle, cut it into half, whatever, so I could make it a little path for the water to drip in. And also you could just put anything to make it drip wherever you want it. So this plastic, just take a piece of plastic and then it'll make it drip over there where you want it. Thanks for watching.